If you want things to change in your life and you know what your new life would look like, or you can picture it in your mind, that's great. However, problems can arise. Negative thoughts can creep in. When this happens, it can stop us from going further. In this video, I will explain how you can set effective goals so that you can achieve what your desires might be. Please join me. Welcome. I'm Dr. Michael Paterson, clinical psychologist. For years, I have been working with people to help them achieve their maximum potential. I would like to share with you my knowledge and skills to help you achieve what you are truly capable of. I have been asked a question. Here it is.
When thinking about how I want my life and career to progress, I seem to think of all the hurdles and setbacks I could face and end up doing nothing. I want to change.
When we experience these negative thoughts, it can lead to uncomfortable emotions. Following that, there may also be uncomfortable physical sensations. Then we don't go any further. Does that sound familiar? As human beings, we're motivated to remove or reduce that discomfort. When that occurs, we stop going down the path that we were on and give up. You may have engaged in psychological therapy to help you with the negative thoughts, emotions and physical sensations. Great. If not, what I'm going to explain now applies equally in both cases. I will show you a strategy how to set your goals and stay on track to achieve them. We start with the destination in mind. We need to know where we want to go to. Imagine a scenario. I go into the railway station and up to the ticket booth. I say to the official, "I would like a ticket, please." The official replies, "And where to, sir?" "I don't know." With a look of exasperation and tone of voice changing, the official says to me, "Really, sir? How can I sell you a ticket when you don't know where you want to go to?" We need to know our destination before we set out on our journey. This can help fool the subconscious part of our brains that we are already there, and that way it will no longer throw obstacles in our path. You can have an image of what your dream would look like. Once you bring up that picture, dream big and allow yourself to enhance it. Notice the sensory aspects of the experience, the sights, the sounds, the smells, and even the tastes. You might even have a dream board. Pin on that board pictures of what you desire. When you see that on a daily basis, it will help keep you focused. It will allow your subconscious part of your brain to guide you to where you want to go. Know what it is that you wish to achieve, but also understand the reason why you want to achieve it. This is your motivating factor. When you understand the reason why, work out when do you want to be there. This will help you set your goal and develop your strategy to help you get there. Remember, your desired goal is like a crock of gold at the end of a rainbow, the destination of a long car journey. Let me explain in a bit more detail with this next animation how you can get there.
There's the road ahead. It's stretching away to the distant horizon. Set your desired goal. See it. Feel it. Almost live it. Make it real for you. When you have identified this, ask yourself, what things do I need to do over the next month to move me toward my desired goal? When you've identified them, write them down. Once you have achieved your first monthly goals, you can then identify what you need to do over the following month to move yourself toward that next goal. You repeat this pattern every month until you arrive where you want to be. There are some simple steps you can take each week. These will move you easily toward your monthly target. When you know your monthly goals, decide on 3 things you need to do over the next week to move you toward the monthly goals. Write them down. Make sure you do the 3 things during the course of the week. If you do this every week, you will get to your monthly milestone. This might seem like a lot to take in just now. Let me tie it together with another animation. This will show the full process, from setting out on your journey to reaching the end goal. Start with the end in mind. Set your goal and remember what, why, and when. Decide on what you need to achieve over the next month in order to move yourself toward your goals. Then consider, what do I need to do over the next week to meet my monthly goals? By achieving small steps every week, you will get to that first milestone. All you have to do then is keep repeating that pattern every week and every month until you arrive at your destination.
If you follow the steps I have described, you will achieve the goals you have set. However, there may be times that you find excuses for not continuing on and achieving the goals that you have planned for that particular week. Remember those negative thoughts. When they come in from time to time, and you are the only one who knows what your goals are, it is easy to make mistakes and not take it any further. I would suggest that you share with somebody you trust about your goals. Let them know the long-term desires, where you want to be further down the road. Let them know too the monthly goals that you have set and what you wish to achieve over the coming week. That way it holds you accountable. It also puts pressure on you to stay focused and achieve your goals so as not to disappoint the other person. Avoid the naysayer. They are out there. These are the people who tell you that you shouldn't do something or you couldn't do something. When they say you couldn't do that, they're not saying that you're not capable. They're saying that they're not capable. It's more about them than it is about you. When some people achieve their monthly goals, they accept the fact I'm there and move on to the next goal. What I would suggest is that you reward yourself when you achieve your monthly goals. It does not have to be anything particularly extravagant. It could be a new shirt or a blouse, or out for a meal with somebody whose company you enjoy. That way it reinforces that positive behaviour. When you reinforce that positive behaviour, it increases the likelihood of further positive behaviour in the future. I would encourage you to dream big. Dream really big. The bigger your dream, of course, the more challenges there will be that are thrown in your path. If you set yourself a tight time frame, then you could put your life out of balance in your attempt to get there. I have produced another video for YouTube on keeping your life in balance. I do hope you will have a view of that. Here is a summary about what I've talked about today.
In summary, set your end goals, deciding what these are, why you want them, and when you want to be there. Work out your first monthly goals and what you need to do over the next week to move you towards that. Take it step by step, achieving goals each month to arrive at your destination.
Share your goals with someone you trust and be accountable. Reward yourself for achieving your monthly goals and keep your life in balance. I do hope that I have helped you identify what your end goals might be and how you might get there. If you have got something from this video, please click like down below. Also, leave a comment. I also invite you to subscribe to this video channel because I want to share with you further knowledge and skills to help you improve your life. I'm Dr. Michael Paterson. I'll see you up there.